Hello, in this Visual Basic programming video, we are going to take a look at the stack data container. Okay, so a stack, as you probably would imagine, is, okay, think of it like this, a stack of items. If you stack up on a books, for example, you generally wouldn't take the bottom one because you risk, the entire stack toppling over. And you would take the top one, even though that's the last one being added. It's called LIFO, last in, first out. So that's what a stack basically is. Whereas other sort of, data collections in Visual Basic aren't necessarily ordered in any way, except for, some of the sorted ones, but most of them aren't in memory, let's say. You just access them directly, or you access them via, some sort of key, and then it's fine. Whereas with a stack, if you add one, then add another one, then add another one, then if you remove one, you'll remove the last one added, not the first one. So let's just dive right in and create a stack. So just do dim, let's call it SDK as stack equals new stack. Okay, and we're going to do SDK.push. And in here, we just provide the value that we, are pushing. So if we put 1, and I'll just do, 1, 2, 3, 4, just to keep it simple. But you can put whatever you want in there. So there's 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, pretty cool. Now let's just look at printing them out. For now, let's just just get that done, and we can do that like so. So we know that they are strings, so let's just create a string. So let's do dim, and let's call this str as a string like so. And now if we do a for each loop, so for each str in SDK, and if we just do console.write line, and in here if we just put str, run it, we get 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So as you can see, it's in reverse order. So the first one it has access to is the last one that has been added, and you can add more and it'll be the same principle. So let me just remove one. To remove an item in a stack, it's really simple. You just pop it. So the technical terms are pushing and popping. So you push it onto stack or you pop it off the stack. And to pop it, you just do stk.pop. So this doesn't take any parameters because it doesn't remove a particular one. It just removes the last one. And if I were to just run this bit of code again, and if I run it, what I'll do a console.writeLine, and do another console.writeLine, and I'll just put after popping, run it, and there we go. We have 4, 3, 2, 1. So the first one has been removed, or the last one I should say, or sort of like the first one in the stack that we have access to. So if we were to run this, I don't know, 2 times, let me get rid of that. If I run it 2 more times, the idea is it'll remove 5 with this one, 4 with this one, and then 3 with this one. Let's find out. There we go. It does 2 and 1. So that's pretty cool. And honestly, there's nothing more to it than that. There are some other methods that you can use when using stacks, like count, which allows you to get the amount of values, for example, and contain, so you can check if it contains a particular value. But for the most part, this is what you need to know. What I'll do is provide a link to all of the different features of stacks, so you can peruse it in your own time. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next programming video.